Hello, it's me again. Ow, ow, ow. This is pinching my hair. Let me show you what I got. Welcome back. I was reading a book and then it was long enough, so I'm going to read The Cat in the Hat Comes Back by Dr. Seuss. I got my alert because now I'm diabetic, just in case. Anywho, let's read this book. Hope you're doing good. Do your homework. The Cat in the Hat Comes Back. This was no time for play. This was no time for fun. This was no time for games. There was work to be done. Oh my gosh, look at all the snow. Poor kids. I'm not going to show you the snow. Get one of those electric ones. Woo! Loud gas one. I've never lived in the snow. Do you live in the snow? Where the snows? Well, no, where there's snow is like, does it snow where you live? Oh my gosh. It doesn't snow in Florida. I think one day it will though. All that deep snow. All the snow had to go. When our mother went down to the town for the day, she said, somebody has to clean all this away. Somebody has to. You see? Then she picked out two somebodies, Sally and me. Oh, poor thing. That's hard work. Look. She making like a snowman or something. Look. She's putting all the snow in one place. Oh, look at this guy. I didn't even see this guy on this page. Who is he? He's just inspecting the job. Well, they were there. There we were. I can't even read. What's wrong with me? We were working like that. And then, who should come up but the cat in the hat? Uh-oh, Sally said. Don't you talk to that cat. That cat is a bad one. That cat in the hat. He plays lots of bad tricks. Don't you let him come near. You know what he did the last time he was here? I don't know, but I think you're going to tell me. Look at his shoe. He's like, da-da-da-da. Oh. Play tricks, laughed the cat. Oh, my. No. I just want to go in to get out of the snow. Keep your mind on your work. You just stay there, you two. I will go in the house and find something to do. Then that cat went right in. He was up to no good, so I ran in after as fast as I could. What is he gonna do? Look at him. He skied all the way into the house. What is up with that? Crazy. He didn't even clean his feet or nothing. He didn't take his things that he was wearing. What are they called? They're no skateboards. Skis. Is that it? Do you know where I found him? You know where he was? He was eating a cake in the tub. Yes, he was. The hot water was on, and the cold water too. And I said to the cat, what a bad thing to do. But I like to eat cake in a tub, laughed the cat. You should try it sometime, laughed the cat as he sat. He's making a mess. Look at that. There's water. This has got an umbrella. And there's water on the floor. He's eating a whole cake. And I'm here on a diet. What the heck? And then I got mad. Me too. This was no time for fun. I said, Cat, you get out. There is work to be done. I have no time for tricks. I must go back and dig. I can't have you in here eating cake like a pig. You get out of this house. We don't want you about. Then I shut off the water and let it run out. The cake is floating in the water. Oh, she is mad. She is mad, mad, mad. The water ran out, and then I saw the ring. A ring in the tub. And oh boy, what a thing. A big, long pink cat ring. It looked like pink ink. And I said, will this ever come off, I don't think. Oh, he was dirty. Look at that. Looks like he did it with markers or something. Oh, he's going to have to clean it. Have no fear of that ring, laughed the cat in the hat. Why, I can take cat rings of tubs just like that. Do you know how he did it? With a mother's white dress. Now the tub was all clean, but her dress was a mess. Oh, he's got to go. Look, he took it off the hanger and started cleaning the tub. Look at the dress. He's going to get in trouble, do you think? I think he's going to get in trouble. They're going to kick him out. Then Sally looked in. Sally saw the dress too. And Sally and I did not know what to do. We should work in the snow. But that dress, what a spot. It may never come off, Sally said. It may not. Maybe with Clorox. That's what I do. You stain something, do it with Clorox. Not too much. But not the children. Don't play with Clorox because it'll burn your hands and it gets in your eyes. And never drink it. Never, never, never. That is poison. Just want to let you know. But the cat laughed. Ho, ho. I can make the spot go. The way I take the spots off a dress is just so. See here, laughed the cat. It's not hot at all. The thing that takes spots off a dress is a wall. Then we saw the cat wipe the spot off the dress. Now the dress was so clean, but the wall was a mess. Well, he doesn't get it, huh? Look what he did. He just hit the wall with it, and all this stain came off the dress. Oh, wall spots, he laughed. Let me tell you some news. To take spots off a wall, all I need is 2 shoes. Whose shoes did he use? I looked and saw whose. And I said to the cat, this is very bad news. Now the spot is all over. That's $10 shoes. Oh, that's a good bargain for $10. You get a pair of shoes. Look, she's still looking in the window. Oh, no. Now, how's he going to clean the shoes? But your dad will not know about that, said the cat. He will never find out, laughed the cat in the hat. His $10 shoes will have no spots at all. I will rub them right off on this rug in the hall. But now we have rug spots, I yell. What a day. Rug spots. What's next? Can you take them away? Well, he's just managed to make the whole house dirty in a matter of seconds. Oh my gosh. Don't ask me, he laughed. Why? You know that I can. Then he picked up the rug and away the cat ran. I can clean up these rug spots before you count 3. No spots are too hard for a hat cat like me. Oh, I'm scared. What's he gonna do with it? Look, he fell. He just pulled the rug from under him. Hold these pages. This book is so new. I mean, it kept well. Like, I read these books to my kids all the time, but they're in good shape. He ran into Dad's bedroom, and then the cat said, "It is good that your dad has the right kind of bed." Oh no! Then he shook the rug. Crack! Now the bed had the spots. And all I could say was, "Now what, cat? Now what?" I don't have any words. Look at the bed. That cat in the hat. This was worse than many. But the cat just stood still. He just looked at the bed. "This is not the right kind of bed," the cat said. "To take spots off his bed will be hard," said the cat. "I can't do it alone," said the cat in the hat. Now he wants some help. Look at that. He's so looking sad. "It is good I have someone to help me," he said. "Right here in my hat, on the top of my head. Here with me today, he helps me a lot. This is little cat A." Oh, he got a little cat on his hat. Look at her face. Oh, look, the little cat. Little cat A. A. Then little cat A took the hat off his head. "It is good I have someone to help me," he said. "This is little cat B." "And I keep him about, and when I need help, then I let him come out." How many cats are in this hat? Look, cat A and cat B. And the cat in the hat. There's too many cats to make a mess in the house. And then B said, "I think we need little cat C." No way. That spot is too much for the A cat and me. But now have no fear. We will clean it away. The three of us, little cats B, C, and A. He gets smaller and smaller. How are they gonna clean all that? Look at this one, it's tiny. I gotta see this. Have you ever read this book? I don't remember. "Come on, take it away," yelled little cat A. "I will hit that old spot with this broom. Do you see? It comes off all bed. It goes on the TV." Then little cat B cleaned up the TV. He cleaned it with milk. How are you gonna clean it with milk? Put the spot in a pan, and then C blew it out of the house with a fan. Oh my gosh, I would go insane. Look what they're doing. They're all going on timeout. "But look where it went," I said. "Look where it blew. You blew the mess out of the house. That is true. But now you made snow spots. You can't let them stay. Let us think about that now," said C, B, and A. They painted the snow. Oh no. "With some help we can do it," said little cat C. Then pop on his head we saw little cat D. Then pop, 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 little cats E, F, and G. Oh gosh. "We will clean up the snow if it takes us all day. If it takes us all night, we will clean it away," said little cats G, F, E, D C B A. Oh my goodness, do it get smaller and smaller? And this one just looks like a flea. How are they gonna clean the snow? Where are they gonna blow it now too? They ran out of the house then, and we ran out too. And the big cat laughed. Now you will see something new. My cats are all clever. My cats are all good shots. My cats have good guns. They will kill all those pots. But this did not look very clever to me. Kill Snow Spot with pop guns? That just could not be. Oh boy. Look at the mess. Let's see if we can see this page. This is not gonna end. It's a non-ending story. All this does, it makes more spots, he yelled at the cat. You cats are no good. Put them back in your hat. Take your cats, little cats, G, F, E, D, C, B, and A. Put them back in your hat and you take them away. Oh no, said the cat. All they need is more help. No way. Help is all that they need. So keep still and don't yelp. Oh no. They got even smaller cats? Are you kidding me? Then little cat G took the hat off his head. I have little cat H here to help us, he said. Little cats H, I, J, K, L, and M. But our work is so hard, we must have more than them. We need little cat N. We need O. We need P. We need little cats Q, R, S, T, U, V. No, this one looks like a flea now. Look at that. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Look at her face. She's like, what? Come on, kill those spots. Kill the mess, yelled the cats. And they jumped at the snow with long rakes and red bats. Bats! They put it in pails, and they made high pink hills, pink snowmen, pink snowballs, and little pink pills. Oh my gosh! There's pink everywhere. Look at that. The tree, the house, snowman. That one is mowing the snow. Oh my gosh. Oh, the things that they did. And that they did them so hard. It was all one big spot now. All over the yard. Water, water. No, that's not in the book. But the big cat stood there and he said, this is good. This is what they should do. And I knew that they would. With a little more help, all the work will be done. And I know just the one. Oh, which ones do you think are coming? They left off at U and V. What's after U and V? Oh no, U. Look close in my hand. I have little cat V. On his head are cuts a W, X, Y, and Z. Z is too small to see. But Z is the cat who will clean up that spot. The tiniest one. Oh my gosh. Look. Those are cats. So he says, Look at so many. Wow. Now you can sing the ABCs. Where is the Z? You can't Z, said the cat. And I bet you can guess what he has in his hat. No, there's no more letters. He has something called voom. Voom is so hard to get. Voom. Look at the voom. His finger. You never saw anything like it, I bet. Why, Voom cleans up anything, clean as can be. Then he yelled, take your hat off now, little cat Z. Take the Voom off your head. Make it clean up the snow. Hurry, you little cat. 1, 2, 3, go! I want to see that. How is everything going to be clean with the tiniest one that you can't even see? Then the voom, it went voom, and oh boy, what a voom. Now, don't ask me what voom is. I never will know, but boy, let me tell you, it does clean up snow. Oh, like a volcano, hurricane, all together, storm. Oh my gosh. So you see, laughed the cat. Now your snow is all white. Now your work is all done. Now your house is all right. And you know where my little cats are, said the cat. That voom blew my little cats back in my hat. Have spots now and then. I will be very happy to come here again. No, don't come back. Oh my gosh, look, it's all clean. Unbelievable. They should come here and help me clean. With little cats, sorry. With little cats A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q, R, S, T, and cat U, and cat V, and little cats W, X, Y. Oh my gosh, I ruined that. Little cats W, X, Y, and Z. No wonder his hat is so tall. Look, he's got cats in there. Now I get it. I never knew why his hat was so big. The end. Oh, water. That was awesome. I don't remember this book. These are books that I never read as a little kid. Because I grew up in Puerto Rico and we didn't have that to read. I read other books like The Three Little Pigs, but they were in Spanish. And Snow White, Pinocchio, and those are some that I remember. Anyhow, I hope you have a good day, good evening, afternoon. I hope you're having, even though, well, we're not in lockdown anymore, but you still have to be careful. So I hope that you're taking advantage of at least the sun. Go outside in the yard, take some sun, and ride your bicycle, and just be careful that there's not like a big group of people so that you don't get sick. Okay, I don't want anybody getting sick. Be safe. Enjoy your rest of the day if you're watching during the day. If not, go to bed. It's late. All right, I'll see you on the next one, which I'm going to start IBM. I have to find it because I don't know where I put it. I think it's book 5. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Be good. Do your homework. Clean your teeth. Wash your ears. Behind your ears. Like right there. It'll help.